Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. The last video in our landscape lighting series is installing the fixture. You will need the fixture and weatherproof connectors. First, you will put the fixture together. Every type comes with a stake that you will bury in the ground. This usually just threads on. You need to fish the wire through the stake. Then you can screw this in. Pull apart the low voltage wires. Connect the ribbed part of the wire with the ribbed part of the fixture. Be consistent with this. Install the wire nuts and secure it with this weatherproof fitting. Now all you have to do is drive the stake down and bury the connector next to it. The fixture will come with an Allen wrench that you can use to adjust the fixture head. I really hope you've enjoyed this series, and we will see you next time. Subscribe to our page for a link to more videos.